Welcome back to AMA AI Tech. Today we need to have a very serious conversation about the single biggest bottleneck in your content creation journey. There is a massive silent war happening right now in the creator economy, and it is a battle of workflows. On one side of the battlefield, we have traditional video editing software. You know the names. The heavy, expensive, complicated programs that require a master's degree just to understand the interface. On the other side, we have the new frontier, artificial intelligence video generation. If you are trying to build a serious side income, grow a faceless channel, or just scale your digital presence this year, the path you choose in this battle will completely dictate your success or your failure. So today we are doing a deep dive comparison. It is traditional editing software versus AI. And by the end of this, you will see exactly why the old way is keeping you completely broke and exhausted. Let us start by looking at the traditional editing software workflow. We will call this the manual labor approach. Imagine you have a brilliant idea for a 10-minute video. You write the script, which takes a few hours. Now, the real nightmare begins. You open up your heavy editing software. Your computer fans start screaming like a jet engine just from loading the empty project file. You stare at a blank, intimidating timeline. The first thing you have to do is find visual assets. Because you are not filming everything yourself, you have to scour multiple stock footage websites. You spend 3 grueling hours typing keywords into search bars, trying to find a decent clip of a business meeting, a futuristic city, or someone looking stressed at a computer. You download 20 different clips, hoping they look cohesive together. Then, you drag those massive gigabytes of files into your software. Now comes the cutting. You have to manually slice every single clip. You have to scrub through the audio waveform to remove every breath, every pause, and every mistake. You are zooming in and out of the timeline until your eyes blur. But wait, you are not even close to being done. A modern video without captions is practically invisible on social media today. So, what does the traditional software force you to do? You either have to type out the subtitles word by word manually, or you use a clunky built-in tool that gets half the words wrong. Then you have to spend another hour stylizing those captions, adding animations, highlighting keywords, and making sure they perfectly sync with your voice. Finally, after 8 or maybe 12 hours of backbreaking, tedious digital labor, you hit export. You cross your fingers, praying the software does not crash at 99% and corrupt your entire project. This is the reality of traditional editing. It is a massive drain on your time, your energy, and your creative spirit. It is practically impossible to scale this workflow if you have a full-time job or other responsibilities. Now let us flip the script and look at the exact opposite end of the spectrum. Let us look at the artificial intelligence workflow. Let us talk about what happens when you stop acting like a digital manual laborer and start acting like a true media director. The creators who are dominating the platforms right now, the ones pumping out 3 to 5 high-quality videos every single day, are not using traditional software. They have switched to AI, and specifically, they are using automated engines that turn text into video. Let us put them head-to-head in a direct comparison. Round 1 is the asset hunt. As we established, traditional software forces you to manually search, download, and organize stock footage. It takes hours. AI flips this completely upside down. When you use a top-tier AI video generator, you do not search for anything. You simply paste your text script into the engine. The AI reads your words, understands the context of your sentences, and instantaneously scans a library of millions of premium royalty-free video clips. It automatically selects the perfect B-roll to match your exact sentence and drops it into the timeline for you. What took you 3 hours in traditional software just took the AI about 3 seconds. Round 2 is the timeline assembly and editing. Traditional software requires you to manually click, drag, cut, and sync every single visual to the audio track. It is microscopic, tedious work. With AI, the timeline is built for you autonomously. The AI analyzes the pacing of the voiceover. Whether it is your voice or an ultra-realistic AI voice you selected from their library, it automatically cuts the visual clips to match the cadence of the speech. It adds smooth transitions. It balances the audio levels. It does the busy work so you do not have to. Round 3 is the captions. We all know traditional software makes dynamic animated captions a total headache. You need plugins, presets, and endless patience. AI handles this natively. Because the AI already knows the text it is processing, it generates perfectly synced, highly engaging, dynamic subtitles automatically. You can change the style, the colors, and the animations with one single click. It is flawless and immediate. When you compare these two workflows side by side, it is not even a fair fight. Traditional editing software was built for a bygone era. It was built for giant Hollywood studios and massive production agencies with unlimited time and huge budgets. AI video generation is built for the modern creator economy. It is built for speed, volume, and maximum efficiency. It bridges the gap between having an idea and publishing a finished product faster than anything we have ever seen in human history. This brings us to the ultimate metric: return on investment. Your time is the most valuable asset you have. If you are spending 10 hours editing one video, your hourly rate as a creator is essentially zero. You cannot test different topics. You cannot test different thumbnails. You are moving too slow. The algorithm favors consistency and volume. The creator using AI can take those same 10 hours and produce 15 different videos. They are casting a wider net. They are gathering more data. They are capturing more audience attention, and ultimately, they are generating significantly more income. They are building a media empire from their laptop, while the traditional editor is still color grading their first clip. If you are serious about making money online, if you want to build a faceless channel that actually scales, or if you just want to get your time back, you have to break up with your traditional editing software. The learning curve is too steep, the process is too slow, and the burnout is inevitable. You need to switch to an AI engine that does the heavy lifting for you. Out of all the tools I have tested on AMA AI Tech, the absolute best platform for this exact workflow is Videogen. It perfectly embodies everything we just talked about. It takes your text, finds the perfect footage, generates incredible AI voices, and burns in viral style captions in a matter of minutes. It completely eliminates the editing bottleneck. You do not need any technical skills, you do not need a powerful computer, and you do not need to waste another weekend staring at a complex timeline. It is time to work smarter, not harder. It is time to let the machine do the labor so you can focus on the strategy and the profits. Stop letting outdated software hold your channel back. Experience the speed of the new creator economy. Try Videogen.